Assalamualaikum. My name is Amna Harun and my companion name is Maham. Today my presentation topic is central nervous system. What is central nervous system? Central nervous system acts as a control center of the whole nervous system. It comprises with brain and spinal cord. Central nervous system is made up of brain and spinal cord. Parts of CNS means central nervous system. There are two parts of central nervous system, brain and spinal cord. This is brain and this is spinal cord. What is brain and types of brain? Human brain is enclosed in a bony skull called cranium and it consists of billion interneurons. It consists of three parts, forebrain, hindbrain and midbrain. Forebrain. Forebrain is the largest part of the brain and it controls voluntary action. Midbrain. Midbrain is a small part of the brain and controls sensory functions and pass them to appropriate part of the forebrain. Hindbrain. Hindbrain is located below at the lower back part of the brain. Thank you. Any question?